I'm Craig Robinson, and these are the 3 most commonly asked questions that we get relating to a personal injury case. The first most commonly asked question that we get is, how much is my case worth? We've all driven down 95 and seen the billboards with certain numbers, 6-figure and 7-figure numbers up on the billboards. My attorney got me this number on my case. And really, that's entirely possible, those values. But the real value of the case comes down to the effect that the accident and injury sustained has had on that individual's life. Certainly the insurance companies are going to look to certain factors like the person's age, the severity of the impact if it was a car accident, the length of treatment, the kind of treatment that the individual had, the person's medical bills, whether or not they missed time from work. Those things are all important, but here at our firm, what we really look at in addition to all those factors is the effect that an accident or an injury has had on that person's life. For instance, if you're the type of person that has young kids or grandkids and are unable to do some of the things and take care of your family the way that you used to us, that's where a lot of the value of the case comes in. And here at Robinson and Casey, our goal is to ask the right questions of you and pull out all of the information that's going to help you and us maximize the value of your personal injury case. The second most commonly asked question is, how much should I pay my attorney? This is one that comes up frequently. In Florida, there's a statutory sliding scale for the amount that attorneys can charge in personal injury cases. Sometimes attorneys will actually try to charge off of a sliding scale, or what's called a contingency fee. Contingency just means that I don't get paid unless you get paid for your accident. Which is what our firm does. There are some attorneys that will try to bill you for things hourly and for costs and things of that nature. At our firm, all costs associated with your case are laid out by our firm. Typically the fee for a personal injury case is 1/3 of any recovery, but that can vary depending on a sliding scale and how much the case ultimately achieves with the amount that the case actually ends up settling for the verdict. So if you have any questions about that, please call our firm and ask. The third most frequently asked question is, can I see a doctor if I don't have the money or if I don't have insurance? And the answer to that question is absolutely 100% yes. Most people, or many people, don't know this, but in the state of Florida, if you have your own car insurance, you automatically have at least $10,000 in medical payment coverage relating to a car accident. And that goes for whether or not the accident was your fault or was not your fault. You can actually go treat with a medical provider under what's called personal injury protection. If by chance you don't have your own car insurance and you don't have your own health insurance and you were involved in a car accident, call us. There are ways that you can see a medical doctor without medical insurance, even if you don't have the money to pay for it out of pocket. We're happy to facilitate that and help guide you through that process. We look forward to serving you and your loved ones here at Robinson and Casey. And please make sure to reach out to us with any questions that you may have.